Here we are at the NEC, just looking around a couple of new interesting awnings. So here's a new one from Outwell. It's called the Blossberg 380. So they do an air and a poled version. Let's have a quick look. So one thing I do like about this awning is that the canopy or the tunnel that fits to the van is actually totally removable, and you can fit this onto either side of the van. So for instance, if you had a California or a Marco Polo, you can take this one off, just toddle fits over the top of the awning, so you can either have it right hand fitting or left hand fitting. As you can see, look, toddles on there, down there. Quite a nice awning this. I think this will do quite well for next year. So like I say, they do a poled and an air version. Nice eyebrow on the front, completely flat face to maximise space on the front door. Then you've got the optional blackout bedrooms. Really nice piece of kit this. I think Outwell this year up the game in terms of driveaways. And then right next door we've got its bigger brother. Let's have a quick look at this one. So this one is the Jonesville 290, and had a benefit of this one, it just gives you a bigger living space. So the door in the central bit here, that door there, can also zip out and zip into the canopy. Again, the tunnel fitting is removable and can be fitted on either side of the awning. So again, it'll fit either a right hand sliding door or a left hand sliding door, or if you just want to use it as a tent, there's that option too. But again, quality materials from Outwell. Quite a nice looking awning, that one. Impressed.